Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here with the subject mathematics and today we are to learn the topic that is patterns and symmetry. Okay, so before starting the lesson some warm up is given there. Just see what is given. Extend the patterns. You know, in the third standard you have learned about the pattern, so you know how to extend it. Okay, now see, first is that side, second is that side, then upward, then downward. Again this is that side, then on that side, okay, now upward side, and then to the downward side. Okay, in this way you have to draw the pattern. Now see the second question. Draw the other side of the each shape so that they look symmetrical. You know the symmetry, so for that you have to draw the another side of that. Yes. Now see this one. Here you can draw. Yes, you can all draw this. And color it and just see this one. Okay, so in this we have to draw the symmetry. Now just see, extend the following patterns. What the pattern is given there? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Means 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64 and 64 to the 128. Okay. Now here is the 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Means it is the table of 6. 36, 48. Okay, now 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Again here 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 6, 7. Now here is the 6, 7. Now here you have to add 8. Okay, now 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. So here you have to write 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7 and 8, 8, 8. You know how to extend the patterns. Now see something here is given. Natural and human made patterns. When an object shows the same pattern, color, size and shapes on its left and right side or on a top and at a bottom, we say that it shows symmetrical pattern. Yes. The butterfly is an excellent example of symmetrical pattern. If you observe its color, shape and size carefully, you will notice an identical pattern on both the wings. Yes, if you see the butterfly, what you see? Both the sides are all the equally, means these wings are size are equal, this color is equal, means on both the sides it is called as the symmetrical pattern. This is a natural pattern, not human made. Yes, butterfly is a natural one. Have you seen a bee? Beehives? Yes, you can see here beehives is there. It is not human made. It is again not the human made. It is a beautiful shape. What is the shape? It is of its cell. What is the shape of this honey? That is the shape of honey beehives. Yes, each cell is a hexagon. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there, means it is the hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. You already learned in the previous chapter. Human made patterns are created by people. They can be formed in any way, keeping in mind the rules of pattern. So the pattern made by the humans are, they can made by any way because they can use their mind. Okay, so there are the two types of patterns which are natural and human made. Now see number patterns. Which are the number patterns? Let us now observe some patterns in numbers where we have used different mathematical operations. Just see here 112, 116, 120, 124, 128 means here you can see you just have to add 4 at a time. Yes, each time you have to add 4. Just see here 200, 190, 180, 170 means there is a difference of 10 means every time you just have to subtract 10 from each number, you will get the next number. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 mean it is multiplied by any number, each number by 2. Then you will get the next pattern. And here is the number 256, 128, 64, 32, 16 means each number is divided by 2. You will get the next pattern. Okay. So this is called as the number pattern. Pattern in table of 9. You can see, just look at this multiplication. 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 0, 9. 2 multiplied by 9 is 1, 8. Here you can see, here is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. And here is the number decreasing, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is the one? Yes. Now see the pattern in multiples of 10. Okay. Look at this pattern. 2 multiplied by 10, 20. 2 multiplied by 100, 200. 2 multiplied by 1000, 2000. What do you notice here? We were actually multiplying the given number 2 by 1 and adding as many zeros as there are after 1 in the multiply. Yes, you know. Just see. Then number tower. In a number towers, numbers are in the towers. We build the tower from below to below and get the required number pattern. Just observe this. You can see here 33. So 33 is equal to 13 minus 20. Then 13 is equal to 5 plus 8. And 20 is equal to 12 plus 8. Then 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. 8 is equal to 3 plus 5. And 12 is equal to 5 plus 7. Now in this way you have to see the multiplying number. 864, 12 multiplied by 72, then 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 6 and 70 is equal to 6 multiplied by 12. Then 2 is 1 multiplied by 2, 6 is 2 multiplied by 3 and 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. So this is called as the number tower. Okay. Now see, my practice time 1 is given there. Extend the following number pattern. Here is the 1, 4 means 3. Difference of 3, so you just have to add 3 numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, plus 3 is a 19. Okay. Now this is the, you can see 1, 3, 9, 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 multiplied by 3. Yes, multiplied by 3, 81, then 81 multiplied by 3 is 3. 243, then it is multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, carrying 1, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7, okay. Now, 1600, 800, 400, 200. So what is the difference? It is half of that. 800, half is 400. What is the half of that? 200. 200 half is 100. Its half is 50 and its half is 25. So in this way you just have to follow the pattern and complete the remaining one. Now see, complete the following number towers. Okay. So 20 and 12. So it is, which number it is? Here is, you can see multiplication is there. 5 4s are 20 and 4 3s are 12. So 20 multiplied by 12 is equal to 240. Okay, 12 2s are 240. Here addition is given, I think, because 12, 7 plus 5 and 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 here, and 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. Now see the third one. Now you can do by your own. Yes, it is a very easy one. Just see the third one. Complete the following pattern. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Then 3 plus 4. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 7. It is 9. It is 11. Okay, now here you can see 100 multiplied by 9, 900. 100 multiplied by 8, 800. 100 multiplied by 7, 700. Here the 600. Here the 500. Now it will be divided by, just number is divided by 6. You just have to write by your own. Yes. Okay, now see this one also. 121 multiplied by 11 is 1331. When it is multiplied by 11, 13431. Again here you have to write 134431. Okay, then in this way you have to carry the remaining one. Just see what is the next topic, that is tessellation. Okay, so what is the meaning of tessellations? A tessellation is a pattern made by repeating shapes that cover a surface completely without overlapping or leaving any gap. You know, this is the chessboard. Yes, in the chessboard you can see separately boxes are drawn but without leaving a space. A tessellation is a pattern made by repeating shapes. Here you can see, here is the square, square, square means all are having the squares, means the patterns are repeating shapes that cover a surface completely, means it cover the surface completely without overlapping or leaving any gap. Can you see here gap is there? No. So without leaving a gap, it will be completed. Okay, in other words, tessellation is similar to the tiling. Okay, you know the tiling? Yes, in the tiling we are leaving the any gap? No, they are having the same shape and same size and they are fixed on a wall. So chessboard is a perfect example of a tessellation. Okay, now some important points to remember about tessellations are: the tessellation must tile a floor that goes on forever without overlapping or leaving any gap. Okay, the tiles must be of the same size and shape, and each vertex must look the same. So vertex, what is vertex? Vertex is a point where two or more corners meet. Okay, now if we use shapes whose each side is equal in a tiling, such as squares, equilateral triangles or hexagon, then they cover the floor without gaps and overlaps. If you are taken the same, if you are taken the triangle, so without leaving any gap, it will be covered, because here you can see, yes, this is the triangle on the upper side and lower side. So it is not leaving any gap and it makes the overlap, and without any overlapping it completes the pattern. Okay, now see in my practice time 2, what is given? Which among the following shapes can tessellate? Which it will be? Yes, this one also and this one also. Okay, now color the following tessellation pattern. You just have to color this one. It will be depend on you which color you have to use. Yes. Now see the next one, symmetry. Okay, what about the symmetry? Revati went to a park with her pet dog Bruno. While playing with Bruno in the park, she saw that there was a symmetry in the leaves of a tree. She also found symmetry in the swings and flowers in the park. After dropping Bruno at home, she tried to find other things that can have symmetry. A dotted line divided each figure into two equal parts. If you fold the figure among the dotted line, the two parts will fit exactly on each other. Such figures are called symmetrical figures. What are the symmetrical figures? Means with this dotted line, if you can see, the things is divided into the two equal parts. Equal parts means both the sides are equal. The dotted line is called the line of symmetry. And what this line is called? This is called as the line of symmetry. Some figures cannot be divided into the two equal parts. Yes, that you know. These figures are called asymmetrical figures. So the figures which are divided into the two equal parts, these are called the symmetrical figures, and which are not divided into the two equal parts, these are called the asymmetrical figures. Okay, let us now observe some geometrical shapes with one line of symmetry cutting through them. Okay, just see here, you are cutting this one, you will see it is cutting into the two equal parts. Again, if it is a quadrilateral, you just cut it into the middle, you will see these two both are having the same equal parts. There are some figures which have one or more than one line of symmetry. For example, a square. You can see a square. A square is having all the sides are equal, means if you are cut this line from any side, you will get the all the sides are, means the both the sides are equal. So in the square, how many lines of symmetry are there? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What about the rectangle? A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry because you can see the opposite sides are equal. So 1 and 2. In this way you have to cut it and you will get the line of symmetry 2. Okay. Now in octagon is also line of symmetry are 8 because in 8 way you have to cut it and you will get the symmetry. In a circle has infinite number of lines of symmetry because if it is a circle you can draw infinite number of lines in the circle with the point O and with the circumference. Are you understood, student, everything? Yes? Just see the next one. Mirror halves. Observe your reflection in a mirror. Your image look exactly the same except that your left side is on the right hand and right side is on the left in the mirror. Okay. Suppose we draw image on shown. So what you will show? Yes, you just have to stand in front of your mirror and see your left hand here. So you can see on the mirror the reflection is your left hand is like your right hand. Okay. Now, so it is the mirror image. Now let us play a mirror just next to the image to the gate complete image as shown below. So what you are seeing, just it is the opposite one. Yes, here you can see it is the reflex image. So it is called as the mirror half. Next, see my practice time 3. Which among the following figures are symmetrical? Draw their lines of symmetry. Okay. So can you divide the triangle? Yes. In 2 equal parts. This. Yes. This is also again. In this way also again. In this way also again. And this way also again you have to the line of symmetry. Then it is the symmetrical, yes. In 2 way it will be symmetrical. Then it is not, it is again, yes, only 1. And what about this? Only 1 line of symmetry is there. Okay. Now it is also cut, but the line of symmetry is only 1. Okay. Draw the lines of the symmetry for the following figures. Okay, you just have to draw the line of symmetry here. Now what about this? Yes, you can draw the line of symmetry because it is a square. Then what about the rectangle? Only 2 lines of symmetries are there. H, only 1 line of symmetry. A, it is again the only 1 line of symmetry. Then I, here is the line of symmetry because it is divided into 2 equal parts. What about this arrow? This. What about O? Now you can see in this way. And what about this? So these are the lines of symmetry. Draw the mirror image of the following along the dotted line. So you can see this is the mirror image. Okay. Okay, in this way you have to draw the mirror image. Now here also you can draw, okay, and here also, and you also do by your own. Just see the 4th question. Circle the 2 images which are mirror image of each other. Okay, so you just have to find which is the mirror image. So here, yes, so this is the mirror image. Next, this and this. Then what about this? Yes, okay. Now in this way you have to find out the remaining one. Okay students, so with this we are finished our chapter number 2, that is symmetry and the pattern. I hope all the topics in this you have already understood very well. Yes, thank you so much everyone. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.